Welcome, explorers of the extraordinary, the intricate, and the awe-inspiring. Today, we embark on a journey unlike any other. These are facts about the human body, a marvel of nature, a masterpiece of evolution. It's a world teeming with wonders waiting to be discovered. Have you ever been curious about the number of neurons in your brain? Or how fast your blood circulates through your body? Let's delve into the intricacies of the human body to understand these phenomena. The notion that we utilize merely 10% of our brain capacity is unfounded. In reality, nearly all of the brain is active, as evidenced by our ability to carry out basic activities, such as drinking coffee. The blood vessels within the human body could wrap around the planet at least 2 times. You have approximately 700 species of bacteria residing in your mouth, summing up to over 6 billion. Nerve cells can send 1,000 signals per second and have a transmission speed ranging from 1 to 268 miles per hour. Typing at a rate of 60 words per minute for 8 hours daily, it would take you 50 years to type out the entire sequence of the human genome. With each breath, you take in approximately 25 sextillion molecules. That's a 25 with 21 zeros following it. A human cell contains 23 pairs of chromosomes, and each copy of chromosome 1 consists of about 10 billion atoms. The concept that different parts of the tongue are responsible for specific tastes is incorrect. Every taste bud can identify 5 basic tastes, though some cells might be more sensitive than others. Our bodies host approximately 5 million hair follicles, with just 100,000 on the scalp. Hair typically grows at a rate of half an inch per month, which means if a 70-year-old never cut their hair, it might be as long as a telephone pole. The pigment melanin determines the color of our eyes. Individuals with brown eyes possess more melanin compared to those with green eyes. Interestingly, people with blue eyes actually have clear eye tissue, and they receive their coloration in a similar manner to how water and the sky take on their blue hues. Should you travel at a continuous pace of 2 miles per hour, it would require 518 days and 8 hours to complete a journey around the equator. On average, a person blinks 15 to 20 times per minute, and the eye muscles are the quickest in the human body. However, this rate decreases to about 5 blinks per minute while looking at a computer screen. Red eyes in photographs occur because the flash from a camera doesn't give your pupils enough time to constrict, resulting in a strong burst of light reaching the retina and reflecting back. Sunburn is caused by excessive radiation exposure. It happens when the natural protective response of the body against UV rays is overwhelmed, causing a toxic reaction that leads to sunburn. Your fingernails grow at double the rate of your toenails. In 15.5 months, your toenails would grow 1 inch, whereas your fingernails require merely 7 months to reach the same length. Typically, your right kidney is smaller and positioned lower than the left to accommodate space for the liver. By the time an embryo reaches 3 months, it has already developed its unique set of fingerprints. Your body contains close to 3 million sweat glands, many of which are concentrated on the soles of your feet, palms, forehead, underarms, and cheeks. On average, a person swallows 600 times a day, about once per minute while awake, and roughly 3 times each hour during sleep. Oxygen is the most prevalent element in the human body at 65%, and while it also comprises elements like lithium, cobalt, gold, and uranium, radium is considered the scarcest. Contrary to common belief, the protrusions on your tongue are not taste buds, but rather structures called papillae, with each housing up to 5 taste buds, each containing around 100 taste receptor cells. The sense of smell is unique as it directly connects to the brain's part responsible for emotions and memory. For those tracking details, your larynx has a leaf-shaped structure called the epiglottis that closes when you swallow, keeping food from entering your lungs. Goosebumps are a remnant of an evolutionary reaction passed down from our forebears. Your heart cells typically only regenerate in response to injury. Gaining a pound of fat results in the creation of an additional mile of blood vessels to deliver oxygen and nutrients throughout your body. The rhythmic noise produced by your heart is the result of the valve leaflets as they open and shut. The left lung is smaller than the right lung as it accommodates the heart within the chest cavity. Food takes 4 to 6 hours to pass through the stomach and small intestine as your body absorbs nutrients. Muscular contractions move food to your stomach, not gravity. Your corneas, unique in the body, don't receive blood supply. They absorb oxygen directly from the air. The human brain contains approximately 100 billion neurons. In antiquity, the Romans compared their flexed biceps to mice, which is reflected in Latin, where the word muscle means small mice. Your brain, which is over 70% water, requires 20% of the oxygen your body takes in. As the body's largest organ, your skin can span an area equivalent to 2 bath towels. Every 6 days, your stomach generates a fresh lining to prevent self-digestion. Teeth are part of the skeletal system, but are not classified as bones. Our DNA comprises about 100,000 viruses, among which scientists have identified one that dates back 100 million years. The largest molecule within the human body is chromosome 1. Tooth enamel is the strongest material in our bodies and is made up of 96% minerals. Unlike humans who only have 2 sets of teeth in their lifetime, crocodiles can regenerate their teeth over 45 times. When you're sick with the flu, your nose produces additional mucus to expel the invading microbes. Interestingly, the pancreas has taste receptors that can identify both sugar and artificial sweeteners, utilizing this sensory information to regulate hormones. Humans are the sole species that consciously choose to postpone sleep. Hence, it's advisable to set aside your electronic devices. Typically, an eyebrow hair will last about 4 months. The body of a person weighing 110 pounds holds about 40 tablespoons of salt. Under 1% of people have a heart located on the right side of their chest rather than the left. Blood circulates through your body at a speed of approximately 4 miles per hour, reaching the brain within seconds. Contrary to its name, earwax is not actual wax. It consists of fats, skin cells, perspiration, and debris. Teeth start developing while you are still in the womb, but they don't emerge until you are about 6 to 12 months old. Typically, left-handed individuals favor chewing on their left side, while right-handed people tend to chew on their right side. Regardless of damage, fingerprints will regenerate in their original unique pattern. The top layer of skin on your feet is denser compared to other areas of your body. Moreover, the heart possesses an autonomous electrical system that enables it to maintain its beating even when severed from the body. Each lung only utilizes 5% of the oxygen taken in with each breath. And there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through the incredible landscape of the human body, uncovering facts that amaze, inspire, and remind us of the intricate beauty within us all. We hope you've enjoyed this exploration as much as we have. The human body is a treasure trove of wonders, and we've only just scratched the surface. Stay curious, stay informed, and as always, thanks for watching.